Hello everyone, welcome to today's fun English lesson. Today we are going to learn the days of the week and the months of the year in English. Are you ready? Let's go. Did you know there are 7 days in a week? Monday. Many people don't like Mondays, but did you know that Monday is named after the moon? That's why it's called Moon Day. Tuesday. Tuesday is named after the Norse god of war, Tyr. In Spanish and French, it's called Martes and Mardi, after Mars, the Roman god of war. Wednesday. Wednesday is named after the Norse god Odin. That's why it's spelled so weirdly, Odin's Day. Also, it's often called Hump Day because it's the middle of the work week. Thursday. Thursday is named after Thor, the Norse god of thunder. That's why it's called Thor's Day. Friday. Friday is named after the goddess Frigg, the Norse goddess of love and beauty. Also, in some cultures, Friday is considered a lucky day. Saturday. This is the only day named after a Roman god, Saturn. That's why it's called Saturn's Day. It's also the day most people love because it's a weekend. Sunday. Did you know that in many cultures, Sunday is considered the first day of the week, but in others, it's the last? Also, some calendars start with Monday instead. Now, let's learn about the months of the year. There are 12 months. January, named after Janus, the Roman god of beginnings and endings. He had 2 faces, one looking to the past and one to the future. February. The only month that can have 28 or 29 days. Every 4 years we get an extra day, leap day, February 29th. March. Named after Mars, the Roman god of war. In ancient Rome, March was the start of the military campaign season. April. The name comes from the Latin word aperire, meaning to open, because this is the month when flowers start blooming. May. Named after Maya, the Roman goddess of growth and spring. Also, May is the only month where no US president was ever born. June. Named after Juno, the Roman queen of the gods. Also, June is the most popular month for weddings. July, originally called Quintilis, meaning 5th in Latin, it was renamed after Julius Caesar. August. Originally called Sextilis, meaning 6th in Latin, but it was renamed after Emperor Augustus. September. Its name means 7 in Latin, but it's actually the 9th month. That's because the Roman calendar started in March. October. Its name means 8 in Latin, but it's actually the 10th month. October is also when the world celebrates Halloween. November. Its name means 9 in Latin, but it's the 11th month. Also, November is when the first Thanksgiving was celebrated in the US. December. Its name means 10 in Latin, but it's the 12th month. December is one of the most festive months with Christmas, Hanukkah and New Year's Eve. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.